Want to set up Linux on your Windows 11 system manually? In this video, I'll show you how to enable WSL step by step without shortcuts. Let's dive in. There are two ways to enable WSL in your local Windows computer. In this first way, you need to open Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features. Then turn Windows features on or off. Then enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then restart your PC. First, you need to open the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, press Windows +S to open Search, type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. To enable WSL, simply type this command, bash, copy code WSL, install. Press Enter, and Windows will automatically install the necessary components, including the Linux kernel and a default Linux distribution like Ubuntu. If prompted, restart your computer to complete the installation. Finally, to start using WSL, type bash, copy code WSL. This will launch your default Linux distribution. If you want another distro, you can install it from the Microsoft Store, like Debian or Kali Linux.